That should be a little better, a little better.
I missed that shot. Can we get that again?
All right.
Both of us on it. Okay, ignition's on.
Ignition's on.
Choke up.
Hey, who put this block of wood in my way over here?
Oil pressure lights on, so it'll go off right here.
Gas, is the fuel on?
Fuel's on.
Is the fuel on?
Fuel on.
Yeah, all the way to reserve.
Is it flooding yet?
Oh, there's
It's a guarantee I have enough.
what do we got in this thing? Some California 87?
91.
91?
Always 91.
How old is
Really?
Well, it's at least a month now.
Well,
3 weeks. How long have I been over here? Been here for 2 weeks, probably.
2 years.
Maybe probably 2 weeks before that when I.
I'm sure it feels like 2 years.
Is it in neutral?
It is
It
in
isn't.
neutral.
Wait. Just for the camera.
It is in neutral.
Is the fan on?
No.
Fan's on.
Okay.
You want the extension?
No.
We shut the door so the neighbors don't mind.
Screw the neighbors.
Dinner just started.
I don't know why you put the acid over that way so now the exhaust goes in.
Only so it won't come off of the stand.
We can move the stand too. Let's move the stand because it's gonna shake. Push it back towards you, Joe.
Towards me?
The bike, and then we'll do the whole stand.
Like that.
How the exhaust goes that way.
As it should.
Goes out the door.
Didn't care about that last night.
Fan goes that way.
Yep.
Okay, where's my screwdriver at?
Wait a minute.
What?
Where's the mufflers?
Shake my drag racing bike.
Half a turn richer, 3/4 turn richer, and half speed jet.
It's not a good one.
We got choke on there. What's that?
You want to choke?
Conditioner.
almost out of gas. Turn the ignition off.
Ignition's off.
Plug wire came out of the coil, that's why it started crapping. It runs good on one cylinder though.
Yeah, when it gets on up to 6,000, man, it really sounds good.
Is that how I was going up here?
Got 58.
58 to 6. I think it's a little fat on the jetting. So this is not supposed to be hanging over here like this?
No. It had that thing holding them together.
It doesn't run that good like that.
But it was, remember you said yesterday I thought it was a little bit too tight on the
Yeah, it was binding.
So I took it out today, so you have to
Wait,
put
so
it
you
back
weren't
in.
testing it to see how it runs?
Oh, somebody put this box of crap in my way over here. Yeah. I was trying to run the carburetor out of fuel because we're going to go in the carburetor.
Almost there.
We got to pull this off now. Might be warm in here though. It looked like the auto speed circuit was about right. I had it way up RPM, set the idle mixer, drop back down, really a quarter turn different. Slightly rich, but good. Alright, so there you go. That's how you break a new motor in. Don't over rev it. Don't abuse it.
Don't over rev it.
Don't abuse it.
I didn't hit the red lever. The red lever ever hit?
The red line.
I didn't hit the red lever, did it?
No, they went 1,000 past the red line.
What red line?
That's factory red line.
Is there a red line up there?
The tachometer.
Yeah, there is a tachometer on this thing.
Where? I don't see no tack. Where's the tack at?
Right there. Right here on the bottom.
Bottom of what?
Right there.
What? Over here?
And it was pushing
Where's the red line at? That
It may
45, 5200?
yeah, it was up over 6.
It's probably that high before I whipped it.
I might have been, it may have been over 7,000.
Those valve springs are good to $8 grand. You don't have to worry about that stupid rev limiter. You got a good crank in this motor. You can rev the snot out of it.
The front one?
Stupid ass low RPM motors. Alright, we'll be back.
It goes in further away.